Hello guys, it's Andy. Today I would like to introduce our KAL1500 Desiccant Dehumidifier 2. Let's take a look. Okay, firstly, as you can see, the machine casing is made of thermal isolation sandwich panel. Let's take a look at this operation panel. Okay, let's end. So this is the first page, the monitor page. It can show you the incoming air temperature, RH, and the temperature of the heater. We call it reactivation heater. And here is the exhaust temperature of the reactivation air from outside. And here is the menu of the operating interface. So this is on and off. Here is the setting. You can set the RH you want, for example 10%, and also you can set the reactivation temperature. Here we usually set 120 Celsius. And here the status of the parts inside: the supply fan, reactivation fan, the rotor, the heater. Alright. Here is the administration. For some calibration and some default setting. Okay, let's return. And this is the alarm page. Okay, let's take a look of the inside. Alright. And here is the inlet air. As you can see, you can take the filter outside. This filter is washable. And we use screws to fix it. And here is the power plug. So you can connect to any length of the power cable and just use the plug. Here the rear side. There are 3 different chambers. Okay. So this is the supply fan. We have 2 fans for this machine. One is called the supply fan and another is called the reactivation fan. And here is the Desiccant rotor. This is the heart of the machine. We call it a Desiccant rotor. And it is driven by the reducer and together with the chain system. And we have a ring of gears, you can see. So this can ensure the chain and the rotor will not slip. So I think the machine can run smoothly. And inside, here is the temperature and the humidity sensor. The brand is E+E. Next. Okay, here is the reactivation fan, and this is the reactivation heater. The hot air is driven by this reactivation fan and it goes through upside from here. And exhaust. Okay, that's all. Just a brief introduction.